要是我想要看一下那个树后边是什么的。
哦哟，
呀，
这太美了！
我第一次看见这样的，
这么全的，对吧？颜色这么亮的，对不对？
对呀，是我第一次看见的。
耶！
我给恰恰看看。
哟，好好看，他应该也看见了，我发现。嘿，好好看。
This week's Scribe focus is how to fight. Have you done something kind today? If not, there is the whole day to think about it.
Well, it doesn't take much, and it doesn't take long. No, it doesn't cost a thing, and there's no way to do it wrong. You can buy it anytime, you can plant it where you want, you can grow it in your heart, and give it out to everyone. Put it in your words, and everything you say, in the little things you do, all for another day. And you can share it with your neighbor, and you can teach it to a friend, and you can show them on that how the kindness never ends. So if you see someone who's had a bad day, and you'd like to try and make them feel okay, just give a little kindness in your own way, because a little bit of kindness goes a long way. Kindness, kindness, all your kindness, you will see the world's a better place. Kindness, kindness, all you try this, you can bring smile to someone's face. Kindness, kindness, all your kindness, you will see the world's a better place. Kindness, kindness, all you try this, you can bring smile to someone's face. Yeah, smile to someone's face. You will see the world's a better place.
那个地方离着那个站牌跟 Paxiv 那边站牌，Paxiv 那边远吗？他离着那边转了一圈才去 Paxiv 那儿。
那你拿
走了，
你走了。Stop. Stop, Daddy. She's gonna Stop, I'm gonna feed her some food.
Chinese also have this tree, 玉兰花. In the spring, in the start of the spring, it will begin to open and there's no leaves. When the flowers fall down, the leaves will grow up. The same. I know this. In China, you will always didn't see this. 你扑了就是你自己的问题，你会怪人家干啥？你自己想扑的。我咋看见？ 你就你吃吧。上两次他来还花了2倍10好几块，对吧？没想到这个这是红木妹子的腰杆，它不要钱，牛奶也不要钱，他就给你个杯子，你去吧。那牛奶什么都是随便加的，
好吃极了。
那这弄了一堆。
越来越 sick。
这是什么咖啡？开啡。
哦喂哦哦哦米啊！
人家都有园艺专业的，你看园艺专业也弄成这样，这不是中国的水平。这不是可以动的这个？